Casting on your stitches. We'll do a simple cast on based on a knit stitch. First, we have to create a slip knot as shown in my previous videos. Once you have your slip knot on your left hand needle, insert your working needle from front to back into the knot. Now you're going to wrap your yarn as though you're knitting your stitch over your working needle. Pull your loop through. Pull the stitch nice and long, but instead of lifting off the stitch, we're going to place that stitch onto the needle as shown. Insert front to back, wrap your wool, pull through, loop onto your left needle. You can repeat this process as many times to create as many stitches as are required for your pattern. Once you have all your stitches cast on, you're ready to start knitting.